So, welcome to the lecture series Programming with Problem Solving. The session is going to be on pointers in C. So, what is a pointer? It is defined as a derived data type that can store the address of other C variables or a memory location. We can access and manipulate the data stored in the memory location using pointers. So, here we look into the different aspect of C pointers. So, a pointer is a data type which stores the address of a variable. A variable is a name given to a set of memory location allocated to it. For every variable, there is an address, the starting address of its set of memory locations. If a variable called P holds the address of another variable I, then P is called as a pointer variable and P is said to point to I. So how to declare a pointer variable? Every variable must be declared for its type. So as the pointer variable, it contains an address that belongs to a separate data type. They must be declared as pointers before we use them. So you can look into the general form of representing a pointer, data type star pointer variable name. So the data type can be integer, character, or float, and star pointer we should give the variable name. So what does this tell? The asterisk, it tells the variable pointer variable name is a pointer variable. This PTVR it needs some memory location. So point variable means points to the variable of data type. And here you can see to the variable and the value is inside that variable and it is having the address of 5000. So one more example, int star pointer. So this tells the compiler that the pointer is in use and it needs a address. In other words, pointer points to an integer variable. So here is an example of pointer with float, and so here goes the content like how to initialize the pointer variable. Once a pointer variable is being declared, we can use the assignment operator to initialize the variable. So to store the address of an integer into an integer pointer, this syntax is used. Integer pointer is equal to ampersand integer underscore var ampersand indicates the address. So here is a simple example to understand the declaration of pointer and also the initialization. So int is data type and quantity is the variable name, and here the declaration is made like int star pointer and pointer is equal to ampersand of quantity. So we can also combine these two lines as a single line. Integer star pointer is equal to ampersand qty, and here, how to read the contents of variable using pointer. Once a pointer has been assigned, the address of the variable to access the value of the variable using the pointer is done using another unary operator, that is with the asterisk symbol, that is called the indirection operator. So this indirection operator is also called the dereferencing operator. So to access the value of the address stored in the pointer, the following syntax is used: asterisk pointer underscore variable. And here is a simple program to understand the pointer. So here we have made the declaration of integer x comma y, integer star pointer, and we have assigned the value of x is 10. Ptr is equal to ampersand y, and y is equal to star ptr. So here we have asked to print the value of x, and then we have asked to print the address of the value which are stored in x, and so here is the simple program to understand the concept of pointer. So here you can look into the slide. So we have the declaration as x for the different variables x, y, and ptr. And if x is equal to 10 means it takes the address 4104, and the next location will be 4108, and then ptr is equal to ampersand x means inside that address 4104 what is the data, like that we are supposed to make the interpretation. So it is also possible to make a pointer to point another pointer, creating a chain of pointers. So you can look into the address 2. Inside this address 2, you will have the address of 1, and then inside the address of 1, you will have the value inside. So here the pointer variable P2 contains the address of the pointer variable P1 that points to the location which has the desired value. They are multiple in directions. And here is an example. Int double star ptr means that means it has two addresses and the data is in the address 1. Thank you.